Concentration. The concentration of a solution is a measure of the amount of solute that has been dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. A concentrated solution is one that has a relatively large amount of dissolved solute. A dilute solution is one that has a relatively small amount of dissolved solute. However, these terms are relative, and we need to be able to express concentration in a more exact, quantitative manner. Still, concentrated and dilute are useful as terms to compare one solution to another. Also, be aware that the terms concentrate and dilute can be used as verbs. If you were to heat a solution, causing the solvent to evaporate, you would be concentrating it because the ratio of solute to solvent would be increasing. If you were to add more water to an aqueous solution, you would be diluting it because the ratio of solute to solvent would be decreasing. Percent concentration. One way to describe the concentration of a solution is by the percent of the solution that is composed of the solute. This percentage can be determined in one of three ways. 1. The mass of the solute divided by the mass of solution. 2. The volume of the solute divided by the volume of the solution. Or 3. The mass of the solute divided by the volume of the solution. Because these methods generally result in slightly different values, it is important to always indicate how a given percentage was calculated. Mass percent. When the solute in a solution is a solid, a convenient way to express the concentration is a mass percent, which is the grams of solute per 100 grams of solution. Volume percent. The percentage of solute in a solution can more easily be determined by volume when the solute and solvent are both liquids. The volume of the solute divided by the volume of the solution expressed as a percent yields the percent by volume of the solution. Parts per million and parts per billion. Two other concentration units are parts per million and parts per billion. These units are used for very small concentrations of solute, such as the amount of lead in drinking water. Understanding these two units is much easier if you consider a percentage as parts per 100. Remember that 85% is the equivalent of 85 out of 100. A solution that is 15 ppm is 15 parts solute per 1 million parts solution. A 22 ppb solution is 22 parts solute per billion parts solution. While there are several ways of expressing two units of ppm and ppb, we will treat them as mg or μg of solutes per liter of solution, respectively. For example, 32 ppm could be written as 32 mg solute divided by 1 liter of solution, while 59 ppb can be written as 59 micrograms solute divided by 1 liter of solution. Molarity. The molarity of a solution is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. To calculate the molarity of a solution, you divide the moles of solute by the volume of the solution expressed in liters. Molarity equals moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Note that the volume is in liters of solution and not liters of solvent. When a molarity is reported, the unit is the symbol m, which is read as molar.